Are your blank walls placing you in a design rut? Well, I got good news for you because decorating a wall space with the perfect picture is much easier than you think, and you can explore endless design possibilities. I am always looking to place large artwork throughout my home, whether it be a large or a small wall, because it gives the illusion that that room is larger than it appears. Now, the size of this canvas picture is 62 inches by 42 inches, and it does come in several different sizes. The canvas picture comes with pre-installed hanging hardware already attached to the back of this product. Now, this is perfect for any space, whether you have a living room, a family room, a bedroom, office, kitchen, or perhaps a sitting room where this picture is currently hung. I chose this large wall decor because I felt it could complement your existing style of your room or add a striking contrast. And then it can change the entire feel of the room. And I highly recommend this canvas art. It has really complemented my sitting room.